Welcome to 1 Minute English Confusing Word Series. Let's move ahead in this series and see next 5 pairs of confusing words. First, let's understand what's the difference between bear and bear. Bear means to tolerate, carry something or give birth. For example, Mohan cannot bear being insulted by his boss. Bear means something uncovered or naked. He was bitten by a snake as he was barefoot. Always remember, bear the pain, bear the skin. Bear means tolerate, bear means naked. Next, born versus born. Born with E means carried, especially with effort. For example, the dead body was borne by his friends. Born means to come into life, giving birth to. For example, Pearl was born in Ashwini Hospital at Mumbai. Born is weight carried and born is a life started. Next pair of word is bail versus bail, which sounds similar but has completely different meaning. Bail is a legal term for security for release. For example, his application for release on bail was rejected. Bale is a bundle of clothes or hay. For example, he was carrying a bale of cotton on his head. Always remember Bale with I for jail with I, Bale with E for sale with E. Next, let's understand Beatific versus Beatitude. Beatific means peaceful, calm, full of joy. The saints are always in a beatific state of mind. Beatitude is a state of perfect happiness, blissfulness. He experienced beatitude before he died. Beatific is how they look, peaceful mind. Beatitude is how they feel, state of bliss. Next, very confusing pair, caste with E versus caste without E. Caste means a social class or a division. For example, the people were divided into castes based on their work. Caste means to throw or to assign roles. For example, we cast away old clothes and buy a new ones. Caste is a status and caste is action. If you understood this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.